Now finally we are putting everything together. If you have not watched the past videos in the series, do watch part 1 and part 2. I will leave the details in the description. Welcome to MG Factor. Let's start the installation process. Lay down the post of the carport and start inserting the cross beams. There will be 2 different sizes of cross beams. Do a dry run, fit them all together and check for any issues. Once you are satisfied with the alignment, start putting in the screws. Repeat the same process with another post. Now we will go ahead and assemble the main post beam with our 2 posts. So here, as you can see, I have 2 big bolts. Lie the beam at the bottom and then start putting in the post. Always ensure that the post is square with the beam so that the alignment is correct. Before you finally tighten the entire bolt, don't overdo at this point because it might chip in the wood. Now as you can see, once we are done with our main beam, we'll start putting in the cross beam screws, and that's how our first frame will be ready. Now repeat the same process for the other side of the main post and the beam. That's how you will have 2 post beams ready. We are 2 persons doing this job, and it was difficult to hold the post and beam straight for 1 person and put the screw to the anchor. As the base plates keep falling on, I thought of putting screws to hold them. As you see, the day is over and we managed to erect one side of the post and beam. To hold them in place, we put 2 ladders at both ends, one from inside and one from outside to stop any movement. It's day 2 of our installation process, and to hold the structure in place, I quickly placed the 2 beams to the post. This way it will stay together and I can work in placing other beams. While putting the roof beam together, I realized that the metal plates would be at the bottom, as this will obstruct the roof metal screws. I had to redo few of them again. Finally, the build is complete and it looks fabulous. Well done. Next step is to put retaining wall to hold the bed in the front, which is another project for another time. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay safe and healthy and keep watching MG Factor.